Dopamine is a type of neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger that carries signals between nerve cells, neurons, in the brain and other areas of the body. It plays a crucial role in various physiological and psychological processes, including mood regulation, reward systems, motivation, and movement control. Here are some key points about dopamine. Neurotransmitter. Dopamine is one of several neurotransmitters that help transmit signals across synapses, the gaps between nerve cells, in the brain. It's produced in several areas of the brain, including the substantia nigra and the ventral tegmental area. Reward and pleasure. Dopamine is often associated with the brain's reward system. It's released in response to pleasurable experiences, reinforcing behaviors that contribute to our survival and well-being. Activities like eating, socializing, and engaging in enjoyable tasks can trigger the release of dopamine. Motivation and goal-oriented behavior. Dopamine is involved in motivation and goal-directed behavior. It's thought to contribute to the anticipation of rewards, encouraging individuals to pursue activities that are likely to lead to positive outcomes. Mood regulation. Imbalances in dopamine levels have been linked to various mood disorders, such as depression and bipolar disorder. While dopamine isn't the sole factor in these conditions, it does play a role in regulating mood and emotional responses. Addiction. The release of dopamine in response to certain substances, like drugs or alcohol, or behaviors, like gambling, is believed to contribute to addictive behaviors. These substances and behaviors can lead to an overstimulation of the brain's reward system. Parkinson's disease. In Parkinson's disease, there is a loss of dopamine-producing neurons in a region of the brain called the substantia nigra. This deficiency in dopamine leads to motor symptoms like tremors, rigidity, and movement difficulties. Schizophrenia. Dopamine dysregulation has also been implicated in conditions like schizophrenia. The dopamine hypothesis of schizophrenia suggests that an overactivity of dopamine receptors may contribute to some of the cognitive and emotional symptoms of the disorder. It's important to note that dopamine is just one of many neurotransmitters and is part of a complex interplay of chemicals and neural networks in the brain. Its effects can vary depending on the context and the specific areas of the brain it's acting on.